Okay, sorry.
What are you doing? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious doing that? You're not doing that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me. Get the fuck out. I'm gonna go get the cop, okay? Because I fully have the spot and you come right up my ass. You make an illegal U-turn. Come up my ass. Thank you, sir. Sorry to waste your time with that.
Shook up, and you can check out the full story at 1045wjjk.com.
Oh, shit.
Holy fuck you! What are you? What?
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ!
Oh my.
Oh my god! Oh! Holy dude, what the?
Dude, what
Okay,
the?
wait, you pull over, get out of the intersection, babe. Do you want to check to make sure everyone's
من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها بإذن ربهم تحيتهم فيها سلام ألم تر
What the really? Bro, you did that shit. You did that shit to me. What the man? What the man? Why? Why, man?
What the fuck is your goddamn problem?
You cut me off you cut me off first, man. What the What do you mean, man? You cut me off first. You bruh.
Já chegou logo, mas se segura aí. Segura, mãe.
Stupid!
TVI. Hands! Show your hands! Hands!
Hands down! Hey, I got it.
You got it? All right.
You better put your hand on the fucking window now! Hold